Sound stripe.
Alright guys, we finally made it. After a mile of walking, we're here. We're trying to catch some bowfin, carp, and catfish. Let's do this. We're going to be catching little bluegill and throwing them out and trying to catch something. We'll see what happens, and we'll show you this montage. See ya! Snake eyes.
He's so cute. Oh my god.
See him? Look at that guy. It's a pike. Pike, stop. Whoa, it's big. It's big. Bring it in.
Okay guys, we got one. We got one.
Bowfin, we think, right?
Yep. We think it's a bowfin. Big, really big.
I don't know. We don't see him yet.
Don't let him get into that. No, don't.
Get over there, Desi. That's it. Hold it out there.
Carp.
I think it's a carp. Keep away from them weeds, Dad.
Bowfin. Bowfin.
It's a bowfin. We got one.
We got a bowfin.
Hold on. I'm gonna get the net.
Bowfin! Oh,
Yo, they are sick.
You got him?
Big boy. Huge fish.
Yeah.
Put the net down there.
Okay, bring him up. Bring him up.
He looks like a catfish.
Yeah!
Yeah! In my frog catching net.
Woo! Why is he so heavy?
Dude, you're gonna break my frog catching net. That thing's expensive. Woo! Big fish!
Oh, they're so slimy. Jeez.
Yeah.
I want to feel it. Oh, it feels so weird.
They're not bad though. They look pretty cool.
Oh,
They're dope.
Cool.
Oh, I can't even hold him.
Look at that fish. Guys, this thing is big.
All right, guys.
Close. Back up a little.
Back up. All right, guys. Look at this fish. Just in a little swamp, and we can get one of these.
Woo!
Come on, bring him. One more look at this. Look at this thing, guys. It's beautiful.
Awesome.
How do I know if it's it's recording? Okay.
All right, guys, look at this.
We're gonna release it.
All
Look
right,
at this
let 'em
thing,
go.
guys. One more look.
We've been trying to catch it.
All right, put him in.
All right. We're gonna release him.
There he goes.
Yo, he splashed me.
That was cool, dude.
Yes!